What are the legal steps to change a child's last name without the consent of their father?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very sensitive and essential topic: how to legally change a child's last name without the consent of their father. This process can be complex, and it's vital to understand each step to ensure everything is done legally and in the best interest of the child.
Why would someone want to change a child's last name?
There can be various reasons why a parent may want to change their child's last name, such as remarriage, safety concerns, or distancing from an absent or abusive parent. It's crucial to have a legitimate reason, as courts always prioritize the best interests of the child.
Is it even possible?
Yes, it's possible, but it's not easy. The default legal position in many jurisdictions is that both parents should have a say in major decisions concerning their child. However, there are circumstances where a court may allow a name change without the father's consent, evidence of abuse or neglect from the father. The father has been absent for a significant period. There's a strong reason that aligns with the child's best interests.
How do I start the process?
1. Petition the court. Start by filing a petition with your local court. This petition generally requires details about the current name, the proposed new name, and reasons for the change. 2. Serve notice. Typically, even if you're attempting to change the name without the father's consent, you'll still need to notify him of the petition. This gives him an opportunity to contest it. 3. Evidence. Be prepared to provide evidence supporting your reasons. This might include police reports, testimonies, or other relevant documents. 4. Best interests of the child. Courts will evaluate the situation based on what's in the child's best interests. You'll need to prove that the name change benefits the child more than maintaining the status quo.
What if the father contests?
If the father contests the name change, the process becomes more challenging. The court will then hold a hearing where both sides can present their arguments and evidence. It's strongly recommended to have legal representation during this process.
Other considerations.
Age of the child. In some jurisdictions, the older the child, the more weight their wishes may have in court. Duration of absence. The longer a father has been absent or uninvolved, the stronger the case might be for changing the child's last name without his consent. Changing a child's last name without the consent of their father is a complex legal process, and it's crucial to be well informed and prepared. Always consult with a legal professional in your jurisdiction before making any decisions. We hope this video has been informative and provided some clarity on this topic. Thank you for watching.